Hello everyone, I'm Lai Van Sam. Today we're going to talk about a common topic, the feeling of difficulty when standing up, climbing stairs, or having back pain and knee pain after the age of 45. Many people think it's just a sign of old age, but actually, this could be a warning from an important group of muscles that we often forget about, our glutes. Our glutes aren't just about how we look, they're the foundation that supports our entire upper body, connecting our spine to our legs. When our glutes are strong, we move easily and reduce pressure on our spine and knee joints. Let's explore together why taking care of our glutes is so important, and how to effectively wake up this silent hero. Imagine your body is like a building, your spine is the main pillar, your legs are the foundation, and your glute muscles are the bridge that holds everything together. Your glute muscles have three parts, the big one, the middle one, and the small one. They all work together to help you stand, walk, run, and keep your balance. The big glute muscle helps you straighten your hip and gives you power when you stand up or walk. The middle and small glute muscles keep your pelvis steady, helping you walk straight and stay balanced. When your glute muscles are strong, your pelvis is stable. This means the weight is spread out evenly, taking pressure off your spine and knee joints. But if they're weak, your pelvis can become wobbly, which can put unusual stress on your joints. That's why experts always say, training your glute muscles is key to staying active and preventing injuries as you get older. When your glute muscles are weak, it's not just about having a bad walk. It can also lead to many serious health problems. Lower back pain is the most common. This happens because your glute muscles aren't supporting your spine, making your lower back and hamstrings work too hard. Knee pain is also very common. This is because your pelvis becomes unstable, putting pressure on your knee joints. Many cases of knee pain in middle age actually come from weak glute muscles. The risk of falling goes up a lot, because weak glute muscles make it harder to keep your balance. A fall at this age can cause serious injuries, which can really affect how well you can move around. Weak glute muscles can also make us lose confidence and move less, affecting both our bodies and our minds. Many people think working out their glutes is torture, especially as they get older. But actually, muscles can get better and grow at any age if you work them out the right way. Studies show that even at 70 or 80 years old, exercising can still make your muscles much stronger. What's important is how you do it and if you stick with it, not how old you are. Working out doesn't mean pain or being completely worn out. The goal is to build a strong body, not to become an athlete. Even simple moves done at home with just your body weight can be very effective. Think of exercise as a gift for your health, a time to connect with and take care of your body. Start with a good attitude, believing that your body still has lots of potential. Just give it a chance and you'll get back flexibility, strength, and a more active life. Once you get past the mental hurdle, the most important thing is to do the exercises correctly, not just do a lot of them. Doing movements slowly, with control and correctly, will be much more effective than doing them fast and with bad form. Doing exercises wrong can easily cause injuries and make you feel discouraged. Focus on feeling your glute muscles when you exercise. Put your hand on them to feel where they are, and make sure you're using your glutes, not your thighs or back. If you only feel your front thighs or lower back getting tired, stop and fix your technique. Always listen to your body. A little soreness is good, but sharp pain in your joints means you need to stop. Don't try to push through pain. Exercise is for getting healthy, not for hurting yourself. Start with a small number of repetitions, and slowly do more as you feel comfortable. Doing it right will help you make progress safely and steadily. Here are 2 basic exercises to wake up your glute muscles, which you can do right at home. First is the glute bridge. Lie on your back, bend your knees, place your feet flat, and keep your arms by your sides. Squeeze your glutes, push your hips up high, keep your back straight. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower down. Focus on using your glute muscles, not your lower back. Avoid pushing your hips too high, which can arch your back. Second is the clamshell. Lie on your side with your legs stacked, knees bent at a 45-degree angle, and heels touching. Lift your top knee up like an opening seashell. Keep your hips still, and feel the squeeze on the side of your glutes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower down. Do this for both sides. A common mistake is leaning back to lift your knee. Make sure to keep your upper body and hips steady. These 2 exercises help activate your glute maximus, medius, and minimus, building a strong base for the next movements. Do each exercise 8-12 times for 2 to 3 sets. If you keep at it regularly, you'll feel a clear difference in just a few weeks. This is a safe starting point, suitable for all ages. Be patient, and the results will come. Next up are standing exercises, which are like our everyday movements. Chair squats. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you're going to sit down. Lower yourself until your bottom lightly touches the chair, then stand back up, using your butt muscles and heels. Keep your back straight, and make sure your knees don't go past your toes or knock together. Step up. Stand in front of a step or a low platform. Put your right foot on it. Use your right butt and thigh muscles to push yourself up, lifting your left foot off the ground. Then, slowly lower yourself back down. Focus on using the leg that's on the step to lift your body up. Don't push off with your back foot. Do this for both legs, 8 to 12 times for each exercise, for 2 to 3 sets. These 2 exercises will help you get stronger and improve your balance and steadiness. A common mistake is leaning forward or pushing off with your back leg. Make sure you control your movements. Keep practicing, and you'll find your steps become more steady and confident. The last exercise is the standing kickback. This helps to work your main butt muscles and make your balance better. Stand up straight, hold onto a wall or chair lightly, put your weight on one leg, and kick the other leg straight back, squeezing your butt muscles. Only lift your leg as high as you can while keeping your back straight and your hips from twisting. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower it. Don't arch your back. The movement should come from your hips, not your back. Do this for both legs, 8 to 12 times on each side, for 2 to 3 sets. These 5 exercises, glute bridge, clamshell, squat to chair, step up, and standing kickback, make a full workout for your butt muscles. You don't have to do all of them in one go. Pick 2 to 3 exercises that work for you and do them 2 to 3 times a week. You'll start to see changes in a few weeks, steadier steps, less back and knee pain, and more confidence. Be patient and keep at it. The results will surprise you. We've explored together how important our glute muscles are and how to take care of them. Remember the 3 golden rules. Be regular, listen to your body, and be patient. Health is a long-term investment. You won't see results right away. Taking care of your glutes is about living actively. It's not about letting age decide your health. Strong glutes help you stay independent and confident. You won't have to rely on others when you're older. Just 15-20 minutes of exercise every day, starting now, will decide how good your life is later on. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and your family so they can take care of their health too. Follow our channel for more exercises and safe, easy to follow tips. Thank you, and we'll see you again.